Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deacon, aka Ediko Coco, aka Queen of DIYs. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. Internet hugs. And if you're new, definitely make sure that you're subscribed. Click on the notification bell to make sure that you're notified every single time that I post a video, so you get to be like the VVIP. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be making a body scrub that is suitable for like the hotter months, like the summer months, and for people that just live in like a hotter region like Nigeria, where most of my viewers watch from. And yeah, this body scrub is mainly made with aloe vera, and it is a very hydrating and soothing body scrub as well that doesn't dry your skin out. So if you like what you're seeing, thumbs up this video as we go on, and let's get right into making this body scrub. I know you feel the same as So first we are going to need sugar, and this is granulated sugar, which is going to serve as the physical exfoliant in this scrub. And next we would need aloe vera gel, and this is just a store-bought aloe vera gel that has a colorant in it, so do not worry about the green color, it's just fancy. And next is our ewax, because we're trying to make things a little more professional. And yeah, and next will be our oil of choice, and here I'm using the carrot and aloe vera oil that we just made on this channel. And also we would need green tea, and here I'm just using one green tea bag. Green tea is filled with antioxidants, and since we are making a body scrub for like the hotter months, we definitely need some sort of antioxidants in our scrub. So next is our tools, which is like a bowl, a spatula, and a kitchen wicks. Definitely something that you have laying around in your kitchen, so this will serve as our tools. So now that we do have all our ingredients, the next thing we would do is get right to work. So now in my bowl, I'm going to be adding my aloe vera. Bear in mind that I warmed this up a little bit just to have it warm, because we're going to be adding ewax, and ewax needs other things to be warm for it not to solidify when it gets into the mixture. So yeah, keep in mind your aloe vera needs to be warm, and also your oil needs to be warm as well. And I'm just adding my oil into the aloe vera and just mixing up, and as you can see, things are loosening up because they are both warm. And now I'm going to go in with my ewax, and then I'm going to stir with the spatula. And as you can see, it's no longer working to use the spatula to stir, so I'm going to go in with the kitchen wicks, which is going to help turn it into a proper lotion formula, like a lightweight lotion formula. So I'm just stirring that up with the kitchen wicks to get it to the lotion form. And now we are going in with our granulated sugar, and I'm just adding that up. Remember that all the measurements and all the ingredients that you need for this will be listed in the description bar, so definitely check that out for the list of ingredients and its measurements. So I went into the scrub or the mixture with the sugar bit by bit, just so I make things easy for me to work with. So I just added the sugar in bits, that's just what I'm trying to say. So I just kept on stirring with the kitchen wicks to get everything to mix together thoroughly. And as you can see, we already have emulsified scrub. So here we have our emulsified scrub, and I'm just going in with more granulated sugar because I wasn't okay with the consistency. I just wanted it to be a little more thick, and yeah. So now I'm just whisking away with the kitchen wicks, and also checking the viscosity, which is the consistency which is pretty much the thickness. I think I have to break these things down. So yeah, I'm just checking the consistency to see if it's what I want. Now I am going to go in with my green tea bag, and yeah, here I'm just using regular Lipton green tea. And now I'm just going to open that up, and I'm going to cut open the tea bag. And then I'm going to be pouring in my green tea leaf into the mixture. So I'm just going to stir that up again, and as you can see, it just gives it a whole different look. It just makes it look a bit more fancy, but above that, it is adding some good antioxidants to our scrub, which is really highly beneficial to the skin. And for the fact that it's the summer months, you really want to slow away dead skin cells, and an antioxidant is a good way to go. And now I'm just going to be adding some drops of tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil is rich in skin pampering and soothing properties, hence why I decided to opt for that in this formula. You can always use an essential oil of choice, whichever fragrance that you like. And yeah, so next I'm going to be going in with vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also contains lots of antioxidants. It just helps to rejuvenate the skin and just pamper the skin, as well as acts as the semi-preservative, but you don't rely on this to preserve your stuff. It just helps to make the preservative more potent. So now I'm going in with liquid Germal Plus, which is the preservative that we're going to be using here, because our scrub is going to be coming in contact with water a lot, so you definitely need some preservative in this. But if you do not have preservative, then don't worry, you can always use the scrub like that, but just make sure to finish it on time, nothing more than a week, so that it doesn't get bad. So yeah, I'm just stirring that up with the kitchen wicks, and I'm just letting you guys have an up close on the consistency of the scrub. And yeah, we are pretty basically done with our scrub. So here we have a summer body scrub that is suitable for like the hotter months, like I earlier mentioned, or if you live in a hot region, then this is your best bet for a DIY scrub. And as you can see, we made things a little more professional, hence why we added the ewax to just give it that creamy consistency, emulsified texture, like a regular store-bought scrub. So you can basically just have a professionally made scrub at the comfort of your home, and you don't have to spend too much. So now I'm just adding or I'm just turning my scrub into a storage container to store it up properly. And as you can see, our scrub looks really beautiful. It looks like something of like a Sephora shelf or like your beauty supply store shelf. It's just so beautiful. It's almost unbelievable that we just made this at the comfort of our home. So yeah, here we have our scrub, and we've come to the end of this video. Please make sure to thumbs up this video if you do like what you're seeing, and also to let YouTube know that you like my content. Drop a comment down below if you're going to be trying this scrub, and yeah, just make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you're notified every single time that I post a video. And please make sure that you're subscribed. Do not be part of the 80% of people that will come to such a lovely video and not subscribe. You're not one of those, so definitely hit the subscribe button. So here I'm just showing you guys the consistency of how this scrub works. So it has like a light lather to it because of the emulsification wax. Yeah, you guys get what I mean. So yeah, thank you so much. We've come to the end of the video. Definitely make sure that you're subscribed, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. And as always, I wish you a perfect, glowy and luscious skin. Mwah.